Hey, what's going on, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews, and we are back with another Thread Beast review. All right, so this is the month of May that we're doing right now, and let's just get right into it. And you know what, actually, before I get all the way into it, I just want to talk to you guys about subscribing to the channel, also sharing the video with anybody that you think that might benefit from having a service like Thread Beast, which I definitely endorse. I would say that 8 to 9 times out of 10, all the clothes that they send me are going to be pretty on point. There are definitely some things that I've had to call them about that I wasn't happy with. Still one unresolved with a pair of jeans, but you know, it is what it is. It's cool. But overall, you know, I've been very happy and satisfied with what they've sent me. So let's just get right into it. And looks like we got a pair of slides right here, Diamond brand. All right, so they got these in these nice little plastic. Let me go ahead and get these out of the plastic, brand spanking new. All right, so yeah, this will be nice, a nice addition, something to wear out and about, or even just maybe these might be my new around the house slippers, who knows. But look, these will come in handy. So okay, if I'm gonna price those, I'm gonna just assume that these are either gonna be like 30 bucks. Yeah, I think 30 bucks, 30, 40 bucks. Diamond brand, let's say 40, just to play it safe. So this is Pink Dolphin. I think I've gotten like one other shirt. It was just pretty plain. This is just, it just says Pink Dolphin in neon green. Nothing too exciting, but you know, just something to wear. So that's 25 bucks. Got a short button down here. Not quite sure what the name of this brand is. It's like a 01C or something like that. I don't know, but it's a nice shirt. I probably would anticipate this will probably be about 40, 50 bucks. So 75 on the shirts right now, and then $40 for the slides. So we're sitting at around $90. Okay, got a nice pair of shorts here to go along with the shirt. Kind of matches with it's a brand called Trunks. So it's my size. They got a little drawstring to kind of help. I guess if they run a little bit big. And I think these shorts will probably be 30, 40 bucks as well. So we're at about 130. And we got some little socks. I think these would probably be about 5 bucks. So I think altogether, you know, it's safe to say that this package is gonna be somewhere around about 130. I think it's safe to say. So for the month of May, they hit me with about 130, which again, still is good because I'm only paying $85 a month. 85, so I am saving money, I am still winning. Everything here looks like it's going to fit me properly, because that's usually the biggest issue that I have with the clothes that they've sent me. For the most part, you know, they sent me some winter stuff that, you know, being here in California, I just can't wear it. You know, they got like fur line stuff and all of that, like I just can't do it. But I think this is a pretty thorough box, and yeah, we'll try it on in just a few minutes. If you've been curious about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or other stocks and cryptocurrencies, you've got to jump on it right now. I use Robinhood for most of my stock and crypto transactions, then Crypto.com for all of my other crypto needs. I've made thousands of dollars just by investing a few $100s. You can do the same today. Just follow the links in the description and watch your money grow. You won't regret it. All right, so let's get into this May box. This would be one of the misses that I was talking about. This shirt obviously is way too small, and it's definitely because it's a slim fitting shirt, which I specifically requested that I not have. It is a slim fitting shirt. So again, they probably don't know how a lot of these clothes fit, but you know, obviously this is a problem. And unless I lose like 40 pounds, like real quick, you know, this is not even a shirt that I can wear. This would be embarrassing to try to wear something like this out. So yeah, it's not even about my stomach. It's just like my chest. Like, it's just, yeah, I've never been into the fitted stuff. So, you know, I need to get up out of this. So this is a miss on the shirt. The shorts are fine. I have other stuff that I could wear with the shorts, but it really would have been nice if the shirt and the shorts would have really matched up and the shirt fit right. But unfortunately it doesn't. So, hey, this will be one of those shirts that'll be on my Poshmark page. Check it out. All right, so these are the last items in the May box. You got this green shirt, this pink dolphin, and then you got the slides, and that makes up of our May box. You know, with that shirt not fitting, that really definitely turns the value of the May box down quite a bit. So, like I said, everything isn't gonna be a slam dunk, but for the most part, you will be winning, but you're just gonna be missing some shots. You know what I'm saying? You just have to take them. But I definitely would recommend, if you have anything that you don't like, you need to let Thread Beast know so they can do something. I don't know what that'll be, but it's always good to reach out to them and let them know. You don't just have to take something that you know you can't wear or you wouldn't want to wear. So check it out. For all of my digital and creative assets, I use Envato Elements to find stock photos, music tracks, web templates, graphic and video templates for all of my various projects. Check it out and take your creativity to the next level. And depending on the project, when I need high quality music tracks for video and audio clients, I always turn to Soundstripe. They have over 100,000 music, video, and special effects tracks to choose from that will take your creative projects to the next level. Sign up today and I promise you'll thank me later. The link will be in the description for both.